we're back again. I had a load of mulch delivered. That was an ordeal in itself. The guy came down my driveway in a truck that was way too big and didn't stop. He almost ended up down in the gully. He hit a tree and that stopped him. Yeah, that was all a bit dramatic. A little bit of PTSD on that. But we have the mulch. I've fixed the driveway after he destroyed it on his way back up. So this is my driveway. I've rebuilt it after he destroyed it, the guy with the mulch. But it's looking good now. We've got some mulch laid down between the strips, and that right hand side paved section, although not pretty, is much more serviceable than it was. It has been raining, but I got out here and started actually doing the mulching beforehand. I didn't bring out the camera because I was too lazy, I guess. But so I've mulched the stairs, I've mulched the first part of the garden that I did in part 1. So we have to do that and across. But the reason I'm not doing the section next to the bit that I've done is that my wheelbarrow wheel is dead. So yeah, off to Bunnings to get a new wheel. But today I'm going to do this, and once I've got that done, then I'll come back here and do this section here. Yeah, anyway, we're going to start spreading the mulch on the hill. You can see that the hillside is in desperate need of some sort of covering to keep those weeds at bay, and I thought we'll go for the natural method of mulching rather than poisoning, and hopefully, you know, it's a steep hill, so it's probably all going to fall down, but someone might let me know in the comments if this is a good idea or not. Anyway, let's get on to it. So here we go. bloody hard work. We're getting there though. Hard work. I reckon it's almost 95% humidity. Climbing up and down that hill's hard enough, but boy oh boy, keep on keeping on. Shovel or pitchfork. Sometimes the pitchfork doesn't pick anything up, sometimes it does. I guess it just depends on how big these chips are. Anyway, just got to keep going. Pitchfork it is. There you have it. I've cut down the mulch, divided it off, and got a whole heap of it back down into the slope. Looking reasonably good. Got to clear off some of the plants. Still got a fair bit to do, but this is where we're at. This is where the bull ants are, so I'm a bit worried about getting bitten again, but that's what it looks like. Looking pretty good. So if you like it, doing those things, and then yeah, we'll be back with a wheelbarrow that works, hopefully. Trip to Bunnings this afternoon, and then yeah, I might come back for another part this afternoon, but that'll be another video. So if you want to watch that to see the rest of this, hit the like button and the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe.